on a 2015 Lincoln MKC, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first you open your hood, and then under this cover you pop this plastic cover off to reveal your battery. And then here you should see your positive terminal as well as your negative here, with an additional line leading to here for easier access. So first I check for any looseness in the lines, any corrosion built up, which you can clean off with a good brush or rag, and then tighten these up as needed. At that point, with your either jump box or jumper cables that lead to another car, you would plug your positive directly under the metal here. And you can also double check you got the right positives and negatives. So on the battery there's a plus and a negative on the other side. But again, the positive directly to the metal here, and then the negative either to here or over here, what's easier to reach. And you want to make sure you don't cross these, so make sure your positive leads to the positive on the other car and the negative to the negative on the other car, because if you get them flipped even for a few seconds, that could sometimes cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But hopefully this got you started, and if it didn't, you need to replace this battery. It's not too hard to get to. You just have to loosen and disconnect these various things so the battery is free. Once the battery is free, this like plastic side will pop up and fold down, so you have a little more gap, and this side will kind of then give you a little more leeway. You might have to loosen this top, but once you get this panel here to pop loose free, you should have enough room that you can slide the battery out this way and then get your new battery to slide in here. And once the new one's in, just retighten everything back the way it is now, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.